Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated return of the 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, a powerhouse SUV that blends raw muscle with modern tech and utility. Known for its insane performance and aggressive stance, the Hellcat Durango is back and meaner than ever. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this beast deserves your attention. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat makes an instant impression with its bold, muscular design. It retains the intimidating front fascia, wide stance, and aggressive hood scoops that define the Hellcat lineup, but with some subtle refinements. Sleeker LED headlights, an updated grille with a honeycomb mesh pattern, and sculpted bumper details give it a refreshed and modern look without losing its menacing edge. The SUV sits on massive 20-inch wheels wrapped in Pirelli performance tires, and buyers can choose from a mix of classic dark tones and eye-catching, high-impact colors to personalize their ride. The rear end features a blacked-out tailgate, dual exhaust outlets, and a spoiler that nods to its muscle car roots. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a supercharged 6.2L Hemi V8 that pumps out an astonishing 710 horsepower and 645 lb-ft of torque. That's enough to launch this three-row SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest production SUVs on the market. Power is sent through a quick-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission with standard all-wheel drive, ensuring maximum grip and control. Dodge has refined the suspension, upgraded the cooling system, and retuned the steering for improved agility and response, making the 2025 model even more capable on both highways and twisty backroads. It's the perfect blend of muscle and refinement. Safety and technology. While the Durango SRT Hellcat is all about performance, Dodge hasn't forgotten about safety and tech. The cabin features a large 12-inch infotainment touchscreen with Uconnect 5, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated navigation, and a premium 19-speaker Harman Kardon audio system. A reconfigurable digital instrument cluster adds a high-tech flair, and there are multiple drive modes including track, sport, snow, and tow, letting drivers tailor the experience to their needs. On the safety front, expect a full suite of driver assistance features like forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control, all designed to keep this monster under control in any situation. Conclusion. The 2025 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is an unapologetic blend of power, practicality, and aggressive styling. It's a rare combination of track-level performance in a family-friendly package, making it one of the most unique and thrilling offerings in the SUV segment.